Go.
Hi, this is Paul with Absolute Plumbing. We're going to demonstrate the flushing capabilities of a Western toilet. This is a model WPI 872HY. It is a comfort height elongated bowl with a 1.28 gallon tank instead of the 1.6. It's rated at 1,000 grams of flushing capability. We're using soybean paste to test the toilet. The average person drops 150 grams at a sitting, so that would be the normal waste consumption. Toilets have to perform somewhere between 250 at the minimum. This one is 1,000 grams. So I'm adding 918 grams of soybean paste. We'll put a mark to show how well the toilet bowl rinses. A lot of toilets leave a little spot in the back that don't get rinsed. We'll add 36 sheets of toilet paper. You can see most of the bowl's pretty full, and now we'll flush it. You see that everything went down and all of the bowl got rinsed.